Do you know there are hidden YouTube settings that can completely transform your YouTube channel? I know you don't know about it. Whether you are looking to grow faster on this YouTube, get better analytics, or even boost your engagement, these settings are a game changers. Today, I am sharing 7 YouTube settings you need to turn on right now. Some of these might surprise you. And hey, number 7 of these YouTube settings. It is the ultimate hack for creators. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are serious about growing your presence on YouTube, you need to use these tools and settings that are already built into the platform. These aren't just nice to have, they are must haves. So grab a notepad because we are going step by step tutorial. On a screen record how I turn off these particular settings and my channel started doing so well. Can you wait for the surprise? I have this gift for you. Can you wait for the surprise? Okay, the first setting might be your thumbnail. Yes, your customized thumbnail, your optimization, your playlist, your end screen, your cards, your channel tags, your upload defaults, everything. I'm going to show you these 7 YouTube settings that you need to go and turn on right now. If your own is not turned on, what are you waiting for? That is the reason why you are not getting that views and subscribers on your channel. Okay guys, if this is a video you have loved to watch, please like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's get to our screen record. If you have not set any of these YouTube settings, just click on this pencil side, this one that looks like pencil. Once you click on it and it opens, once you click on it, it opens like this. Now, just make sure that your profile is set, your banner image is set. If you have not set your banner image, please go and set it. You put the name, you put the description of your channel, what your channel is all about. You put those keywords that when people come on this YouTube to search, they can be able to find your channel and see your content. All right, so another setting you can set is when you click on this home tab. All right, and this home tab appears like this. Go and check your channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Like if you want people who haven't subscribed to your channel to subscribe to your channel, if they come to your channel, which of your first video are they going to see? So when you go to this home tab, under the layout, you see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed and feature video for returning subscribers. So if your own is not set like this, please choose any of your well performing video and add it to here. Like this video right now is one of my video that is still going viral. So like if I want to change this video now, I have to click on this 3 dots at the right hand side and click on the change video, or if I want to remove it at all, I'll click on remove the video. So but I'm not going to do any of that. All right, so the next video for feature video for returning subscribers is put any featured video so that when your returning subscribers are coming to watch your video, they can also see this video. All right, so if I want to change this video, you still click on the 3 dots and change and also remove it. Then the next one is if your videos is not under for you, like under this for you, you click on more settings. Once you click on the more settings and it opens, now this is what you are going to have. What to include in the for you section. What are the things you want to include in the For You section? The For You section are these things you are seeing right here now. This video, this thing you are seeing here right now are the For You section. All right. So now under the content type, we have the video, we have the short and the live stream. So if you have not undergo any of these, please you have to start making use of them. You have to turn it on. If your own is turned off like this, please go and turn all of them on. All right. So if you have not live streamed before, please try and live stream. Even though it's one live stream, please try and live stream it. All right. Then the next setting is the next one is recency. So this recency is telling you if you want all your content to be recommended, both the new and old, if you want only your recent content to be recommended. So it is left for you to choose the road you want to follow. All right. So for you as a new YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber that wants his or her channel to start growing and start getting that views and engagement, the best option for you here to click is what? Under the recent content only. Now, these recent content only are content you have posted in the last 12 months. All right. So it's content you have posted within 12 months from January to December. These are the contents you will be appearing. Even though you are uploading fresh content, it will be showing up. YouTube will start recommending it. All right. So, but if you want all your content to be recommended, it's your choice. All right. So once you are done, you click on done. All right. This particular setting is done. So the next one is go to your YouTube dashboard through the version mode. Then you go to the setting below your YouTube dashboard. You click on the setting, which is this setting you are seeing right here. You click on it. Once you click on this setting and it opens like this, you will have these features, you will have these options: general, channel, default upload default, permissions, community moderations, promotions, agreements. So now the parts that we are going to handle on this is you will go through the what? You will go through the channel. You click on the channel, you click once it opens. Now you check under the basic info. You go ahead to check the country of your residence. The country of your residence. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in so many countries, once you click on the country of residence, you will see so many countries. You will see Morocco, New Zealand, so many countries. So as I'm in Nigeria, I'll click Nigeria. I'll click on Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. Currently, I'm a Nigerian citizen. So once you are done with it, you head over to the next one, which is the keywords. The keywords. You will have something like keywords. These keywords are what your channel is all about. Like you are telling the YouTube algorithm what your channel is all about. The keywords that, like when people search on YouTube, yes, they can get your channel, your own video, your own channel will pop out on their search feed. So in these keywords, what you have to do only here is to put on those keywords that is related to your channel, that is related to what your channel is all about. If you are into vlogging, if you are into YouTube tutorial tips, how to grow YouTube, you put those keywords here. You put those keywords here. Even some big content creators that are under your niche, make sure you put those keywords here. For example, if I still want to put VIDIQ, VIDIQ, why I'm putting them as keyword is that
since they are big content creator on this YouTube platform, and those of their audience, I mean those of their viewers, when they click on their names to search for their channel, your own channel, my own channel will pop out on their search feed. So that is why you need to include them as a what? Searchable what? Keywords. Now, once you are done with these keywords, make sure that each keywords you are putting before you write the other one, you try and enter a word comma, because when you look at the below part of you see enter comma hyphen separated values, like you enter comma to separate each of them. Then once you are done setting all of this, you go to the advanced setting. The advanced settings, you make sure that you link some of your accounts. Are you getting me? And make sure that you set your channel content not made as keys. For example, now if you come over to this way, you see where the route, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So if your channel and the content you are making is made for kids, now that is where you have this option. The first option says, yes, this channel is made for kids. I mostly upload content that's made for kids. Then the second one is, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is not made for kids. Then the last one is, I want to review this setting for every video. So since you are not making your videos not for kids, you click no, this channel is not as made for kids. Once you click on this thing, it has automatically been changed to every of your video. You will not have time again to start setting it manually. Each time you upload video on your YouTube channel, you start setting it manually, that no, it is not made for kids. But once you set it from this aspect, now it is automatically turned on, like it has automatically turned on, it has automatically tell the YouTube algorithm that your content is not made for kids. So once you are done setting all these things, then you come over here, you might link to some of your Google, like Google Ads account linking, like link order of your YouTube channel. Like you can put their link here, click it, put their link here, or enter a link name, or you can, put the link here. Once you are done with it, then the next one is feature eligibility, which is the most important thing that I'm talking today. Feature eligibility. You make sure that all the features that you are accessing on the YouTube is eligible. Feature eligibility. You make sure that the standard versions, the standard features, which includes YouTube that starts by growing your audience, like this standard version include the video you upload, the playlist, and the collaboration of other playlists and the new videos you put on the playlist. So once your own is not enabled, like for example, once your own is disabled, that means you are not your channel has not been recognized by YouTube. Like you don't have a history on YouTube. That YouTube have not understand what your channel is all about. So that means you don't have access to channel community guidelines, like you are going against the YouTube community guidelines. You are not well registered on YouTube. So make sure that your own is enabled. Then another one is checking the second one, which is intermediate features. These intermediate features means that video that is longer than 15 minutes, your thumbnails and everything. So how are you going to access these intermediate features? These intermediate features, when you have the YouTube standard features enabled and your phone number verification. So if you want me to do about how you are going to check your phone number verification on the YouTube, let me know in the comment section. I will do the video right away for you. Then The third one is advanced features. The advanced features is when you have the compelling ID and create more live stream. So this intermediate features, this advanced features is when you have the intermediate features enabled and one of the video verification. That means if you have not verified your face, if you have not verified yourself to the YouTube, please do it today. Start verifying your YouTube so that you can have so many features to access on that YouTube platform. So this is the main important side that I want to show you in this video. So that is, go and start checking your own. If you have not set your own, make sure that you have your own is set from today. Start setting your own. So guys, I thank you. Start setting your own today. So thank you guys. Now once you are done setting in every of this thing, you are, make sure you click on save. You click on save, because if you not click on save, that means all the work you have put together, all the changes you have made is on vanity, like is a waste of time. So you make sure you click on save. All right.
And there you have it. 7 YouTube settings that can completely change the way you manage your YouTube channel. I believe you have seen it. Whether you are just starting out, or you are an experienced creator, or you are a new or small YouTubers, these tweaks can make a huge difference. So which settings are you turning on first? I mean, right now, after you have finished watching this my video, which setting are you going to turn on immediately? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it to other creators who has been looking more for this video. See you on my next upload. Bye for now.